Watch yourself, people. Now, if you watch no 6 1 roast cashew. What's good, YouTube? It's the girl LK, and today we have another amazing video for you. Okay, so today, guys, I'll be showing you how we roast cashew in the country yard style, country style, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so people, remember to give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Remember also to check out K-Boss Creations on Instagram for all your organic soaps and scrubs. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to roast cashew. Okay, so people, I have a huge cashew tree in my yard, and maybe in the future I'll do an updated video, but for now I'll have to be inserting some clips for you all to see. So I have an amazing cashew tree in my yard. It's like an attraction. It's like a tourist attraction. So everybody come, I'm like, rattling cashew tree. They run up under it and then take up on it. Understand? So I have a cashew tree in my yard. So I know two types of cashews in terms of the color. You have the red one, you have the yellow one. I have the yellow one. Okay, so at certain times of the year, cashew tree, you know, look at the blossom upon it. Next thing you look at the seed show out, and then you see yellow fruit pod come out. And it always bear enough. So no matter where you come from, cashew seed can done. Then one time a year when we just turn up under the tree, everybody, because at year time, or if you get cashew seed for roast. So year time, there's one time remember see him turn up under the tree in a rain, umbrella, water boot, because we say, we are getting most cashew seed this year, you know? People don't really follow cashew seed again. Sometimes we all tip over them, sometimes they stay under the tree and spoil, you know. But I'm going to be showing you how the tree looks and what the fruit looks like and which part of it is roast. Of course, I see the roast. We'll just show you, so I'll be inserting some clips. So guys, my granny usually drink the juice. Me drink the pop out the seed, eat the fruit part. My love me put it in the fridge and make it cool little. Eat the fruit part and then light the juice. So when you're done with the fruit now, you have a seed remaining. So the seed is what you'll be taking up, and you have to put them in the sun for a couple of weeks to dry. I'm not really giving no time in. Just dry until I feel comfortable. Dry for a good while. Dry them a good while and then set them up ready to get roasted. Okay, so it cashew seed for the oil, people. So I think maybe the drying will reduce the amount of oil net got. When the oil touch, make sure it have. But people, when you go roast it, cashew them, have to ensure so they get one, because at the outside kitchen I go show you how I do it. Normally I just roast in our open area, but I'm going to show you, I did it in the outside kitchen where I roast breadfruit and something. This is in the outside kitchen, but I didn't plan to use it for my channel, so I just decided to show you how it's done. So when I roast cashew, people, remember, you have to dry them first. Then you have to get a piece of zinc. Place it for open, roast it in an open area, but I'm going to show you how to do it in the wood fire with the outside kitchen. So you're gonna get a piece of zinc. You have to make sure the zinc cut up, not holes that are big enough for the fire to get through, not for the cashew seed to drop through. So you have to get a piece of square zinc and cut it up, chop it up, whatever. Then divide the whole in it. As usually we do, I feel like we always do with a done machete or a sharp assistant. You just chop the zinc and make it go hole in it with the fire come through. So now we set the zinc on your fire, and I'll be inserting the clips as I go along. You set on your cashew seed them. Like if fire go on, it be say for our good fire. See, dead fire business in our work. Get a strong fire, yellow flame or something. Strip a zinc, put on your cashew and pan it. And while they're on it, you see as the heat touch them, they make one sound. Watch yourself, people. I have to watch now 6 when I roast cashew. People, when you eat taking now, you know, say go up. That little sound there, you know, say you're road if you know any cruise area. Have your long stick, guys, stand up near something. You have to turn them, continually turn them. If you do this thing, as I tell you, if you do it, the top will catch by itself because the cashew oil is so if you fire the catch it, the top will catch by itself. But sometimes it top of the fire and catch by the top, and then after dip the stick on the bottom because while you're turning the cashew, the oil of the cashew go on the stick. Dip the stick in the fire and put it back on the top, and it will catch. Guys, the fire catch by itself because the cashew seed has oil in it. That looks like it good. Fire, top catch fire, people. If you're hard with you can't roast cashew. You see when the top catch, and you so come on, blow it touch. People have to keep your eyes on the prize. I'm going to insert the clip as me I tell you. It's when the top catch, you have to be careful. You have to turn it, that's why it's better if you're not a specialist, a professional like moi. Roast it out of the way, you can see where they go at because if you don't want that, you can't go to the city and you can't make them burn up too much, you can go burn out to dust. You have to spin them on when you flick them off of the zinc. You understand? After you roast off now, when you roast, you just flick them on and repeat this. Depends on how much cashew you roast. Freshly done. So when them done now, you roast them and throw them out. You have to extract them from the shell. People use and get dirty. But you know, say I only sell for now feed, so why problem? No problem with it. So to extract them from the shell, you're gonna have to use a stone to mash the cashew and take it out of the outer casing, and there's also a little an extra shell on it as well. You have to shell off like a peanut. Yes, shell off that and your cashew come out nice and clean, and I'll be showing you the final product. I think I may insert some pictures as well as the extra. But guys, it's not that difficult, but it takes practice, and if you're weak and you don't know, it's just not good because you have to dash your stick around gone. You don't know, country style. Just used to the things them, and let me know if you've ever had an experience. Who has a cashew tree? Comment down below if you know nobody with a cashew tree. I'll offer buy cashew road a bit. You know, cashew expensive on highway, people. I'm sorry for all not to buy cashew. I'm my partner just cut my hair. I'm gonna make my good cashew tree in my yard. But guys, anyway, that's all I have for you today. See you another time. Remember to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And remember to check out Cashews Creations for all the organic soap and scrubs. Bye, guys.